What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17. Now first thing you should do is to open your browser. Then what you should do right now is to search for ipsw.me. Then it will show you this link right here. You should click on it and now you should search for your device. So I'm gonna click on iPhone right here. Then I'm gonna choose my device from all of these options. I'm gonna choose iPhone 15 Pro for example. Then here you will find the iOS that you will need, iOS 17.6. Then what you should do is to click on it, then click on downloads right here. And now go to your iPhone, open your iPhone settings, and now you have to click on your photo and go to Apple account. After that, you'll have to click on Find My, then tap on Find My iPhone right here. Then after that, you'll see that all of these options are turned on. Now you have to turn all of these options off. And after turning them off, you should now get your cable, your iPhone, and you should connect your iPhone with your MacBook or with your PC. And after that, you will have to open your iPhone from your Mac. And here you will find this option right here, Restore iPhone. So click on it. Then you will have to get to the iOS version that we have downloaded, which was 8.5 gigabytes. So after finding it, tap on it. Then here you should click on Restore. Then it will take a couple of minutes in order to install the other software. But before you make all of these steps, make sure to have a backup of your files, photos, videos, and so on. Because after doing that, your iPhone will get like a reset. So in order to avoid your data loss, try to back up all of your files. Then after that, you can simply open your iPhone, start setting it up, then download the files that you have backed up before. And that is it. This is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.